In the trough of life, are you often surrounded by pain and frustration, and even have doubts about yourself? However, it is at such a moment that loving yourself is a light that penetrates the darkness, guiding to the freedom and growth of the heart. The inner power is like a hidden treasure. As long as it is awakened through compassion and acceptance, it can light up the transformation of life. Only by accepting yourself can you have true peace and freedom. Whether you are too harsh on yourself and regard success or failure as the only measure of value. However, everyone is self-sufficient and does not need external recognition to prove their existence value. When you begin to accept everything about yourself, including shortcomings and past pains, it brings an unconditional warmth to your heart. Put down your criticism of yourself and choose to look at yourself with compassion, and the inner mirror will clearly reflect the true essence. Low tides and difficulties often make people feel isolated, but hope has never really moved away. It is hidden in the depths of the heart like a glint light, and it only needs to be ignited by loving yourself. Suffering is not the end, but the opportunity for transformation. Even in adversity, as long as you keep the seeds of hope in your heart, you will eventually usher in your own bright moment. Calm down and be with yourself every day so that every deep breath becomes the nourishment of hope. Regain the peace of your heart. Loving yourself is the first step towards peace and relief. Do you often project love on others or things, but neglect to give this love to yourself? Inner compassion and love are endless springs. Only by nourishing yourself first can you have the strength to warm others. When you are willing to let go of remorse for the past and anxiety about the future and focus on the moment, you will find that loving yourself is not selfish, but one of the most important practices in life. Only by protecting your heart can you truly achieve external harmony and love. Feel your breath every day, release your inner pressure, and let loving yourself become an attitude towards life. The journey of every life will eventually lead us to the inner light. The journey of life is like crossing mountains, sometimes full of thorns, sometimes enjoying the beautiful scenery, and all the experiences are shaping a more tenacious self. Light does not come from the outside but from the heart. When you learn to accept and love yourself, the light in your heart will naturally spread, guiding you through difficulties and facing new hope. The choice between light and darkness is not in the outside environment, but in your heart. Learn to face challenges with a calm mind. Those seemingly difficult encounters are actually the good teachers who lead you to grow. Let every fall become an opportunity to learn, and let every difficulty become a bright starting point. Everyone has the ability to love themselves, which is the most real and powerful part of life. Through accepting hope and love, we can heal the pain of the past and embrace the infinite possibilities of the future. Loving yourself is the first step to cross the darkness and face the light. By accepting everything about yourself, you will release infinite inner strength. By lighting hope, you will become the master of life and move towards true freedom and peace.